So I'm on an AI content detector site, and I just put some text in that was written today, and this will detect whether it's AI or human, written by AI or human. Now, I've got a score of 100% human generated content and the comment of fantastic, which is fantastic. So I'm going to read you this text, and I would like to know, is it 100% human generated and written by me? Is it 100% AI and not written by me at all? Or was it a collaboration between the human and AI? So let me read you the text. If you're on a device, it'll probably be tiny if you're on your phone. So here we go. So it says, are you feeling stuck, stressed, or unfulfilled in your life? Do you long for a deeper sense of purpose and fulfillment but don't know where to start? Look no further than our online group coaching Mind, Body, Spirit, and Soul online coaching program. Led by expert facilitators Marilyn Devonish and Gina Batt, this program is designed to help you transform every aspect of your life. Through live coaching sessions, therapy, accountability and productivity exercises, strategies to help you focus, you'll gain the practical tools and support you need to make lasting change. But that's not all. Our program also includes spiritual development, clairvoyant readings, and belief change and energy clearing sessions. With these powerful modalities, you will be able to clear away any energetic blocks that are holding you back and tap into your deepest intuition and inner guidance. So, whether you're looking to build a thriving business, cultivate fulfilling relationships, or simply feel more alive and aligned in your everyday life, our Mind, Body, Spirit, and Soul online 6-month coaching program has everything you need to succeed. Don't wait. Join us today and start living your best life. So that's the text. What do you think? Was that written 100% by me? Was it written 100% by AI? And if it was a collaboration between man and machine, or woman and machine, should I say, what percentage did I write and what percentage was written by AI? So if you're watching this on Facebook, put your comments in the chat. You know the deal. If you're on LinkedIn, love to hear your thoughts as well. And if you're on YouTube, then of course put your thoughts in the comment. Now you can just put, if you're going to put human, you can put H in the whatever the percentage, you can put AI in the percent, you can write a sentence, but I'd really, really love to have this conversation and debate because, of course, um, AI is being hotly debated at the moment. Well, it is in the circles that I am in. So please let me have your thoughts. For those of you I haven't met before, my name is Marilyn Devonish from transformationstm.com. And yeah, let me know who wrote this or what percentage did I or the machine write. Marilyn Devonish, the NeuroSuccess coach, over and out. And I really look forward to hearing your thoughts. Thank you for watching. Thank you for listening. I'll catch you later.